I'm so happy that you can join me today. I've been shopping at Paula Young, of course, and I bought some sort of mid-length shorter wigs, and I thought it would be fun to do a little series of mid-length shorter wigs to show you. So you may remember on my head, this is Lorelei, and I will show you Lorelei in the catalog. That is her. Now the one that I'm wearing is Cool Cap, but it is the same style as this. This color is 1488 Golden Wheat. I went ahead and added my own rooting to this. So just want to let you know this is a super cute style that you can get at Paula Young right now. Remember, you can use my discount code BBH20. That's going to give you 20% off each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. You can use that whenever you're shopping now through February 28th of 24. Freya. Now I got her in the color SF10 26. Freya looks like a beautiful bob or a long bob, which they call a lob, and she has a lace front. So I am super excited because I love wigs with lace fronts. I just think it's beautiful and it makes it look realistic. Look at that. You can already see the colors. Whoops. And you can throw her on the floor. All right, so here we have that lace front. You've got a little, kind of a deep lace, so that's kind of nice for your parting. And then your open ear tabs with the bendy stay. And we do have an open extended nape, of course, Velcro closures, good amount of stretch. Now this is going to be open wefting up on top, so I am just going to turn it around so that we can see how that part looks. So of course with your machine made wigs, you're going to have that crisscross parting. We won't wear it with crisscross parting. But you can see that buttered toast color here with those highlights. It's just kind of that beautiful light brown with the blonde highlights. It's so cute. Let's go ahead and put this on. All right, let's get our forefingers. Oh, that's cute, you guys. Right off the bat, we can see that lace front. That blends in so nicely. There is lots more to this girl, so don't let this little flat appearance fool you, but I just want to give you a look right out of the box, and then we will go ahead and do my zhuzhing. So here's the picture from the catalog. I'm also going to go ahead and put her measurements on the screen while we spin. Oh, that's pretty. Really good movement. So this is the Whisper Light fibers, so that really gives you that good movement. All right, let's go ahead and break up that crisscross part. So I'm just going to take my comb. Sometimes you got to work with them. I kind of like try to get in there and get at the permatease, and I kind of lift the fibers up and over. If you go to some of my older videos, you will see that process. I kind of feel like I might do sort of a messy part. Kind of do it a little uneven but bigger. Yeah, something like that. I would definitely do that. I think that looks a little bit more natural when you don't have a mono part. It's cute. Now you can obviously do your ear tuck. So there's really good coverage on this for me. You can see here. And for room, this one is not super large, but I'm 22.5 inches around and it feels comfortable on me. So another thing that I will do is just kind of, you can either put it underneath the wig cap or behind your ear. And then let's go on this side and do this. Just get a small section. And then I just kind of loosen it. This is a lace front wig that is without any sale, $69.99. So my goodness sakes. And the way, like I showed you how that lace was kind of deep, it looks like your scalp there. And there's nothing extra that you have to do. I just love a lace front. This lace is really quite high definition. It's really pretty. You know, what's the first question you're all going to ask me? Can you cut bangs in that wig? Yes, it doesn't matter if it's a lace front. I have a video on trimming bangs. I'll include it over here. But what I do is I just find where do I want, how thick do I want my bangs? And I just do that. And then, of course I would like pin that back. Then I just twist. Cut it longer than you think. Because otherwise, you're going to cut it too short. All right, let's go ahead and try some styles with this one. I think a wide headband works really cute with this style, and then you can fluff up the back a little bit, and that's really going to give you that 60s mod vibe, which I love. Now, because we have that nice lace front, we can pull it right off of our face. Just take half of it up, twist it, add a little claw clip to hold, pull out a few tendrils, poof it up as you like. That is a super cute look. I love that. Let's add to this and grab the rest of the hair and just put a big claw clip to secure that in the back for a ponytail. That is a nice work look. Now I'm just working on a side rope braid. I'll secure that with a bobby pin, and I just bobby pin right into a weft. You can loosen that up a little bit. Now that alone just on one side is cute, or you can go ahead and add to it and we can do a rope braid on the other side as well. You just take two sections, twist, and then you can loosen them as you like and just secure with a bobby pin. Fluff the remaining hair out over top and you have a cute look. Now I'll just take part of the hair on top to the back for a partial ponytail and pull it up a little bit at the crown, and that's just an easy workday look as well. So if you really want to pump up the volume, flip your part over to the opposite side. It just really helps you get some volume, and that's just a fun look. You're watching CBS Evening News, live at 5. Beth Green reporting. Yeah, this is totally giving me like the Nancy O'Dell or Nancy O'Donnell vibe or whatever her name is. Oh my gosh, but you guys, isn't this cute? So I just puffed it up a little bit here with my comb and a little wig wax spray. The bottle's getting low. But glasses are just fine. Just put them in, no problem. Look at this though, you guys. How cute is this? For a lace front wig, but I know a lot of you do like the lace front features like I do. And so I would compare this to Sheer Elite, which is a hand-tied cap, but the hand-tied caps run petite. So if you are 22.5 inches around, or maybe you could go to 23 wearing this one. It's very similar to Sheer Elite, but it's going to fit you better. Of course, it doesn't have the monotop features because it's not 100% hand-tied, but it has the beautiful invisible lace front. I mean, this is so cute. The fibers are so soft. I love the length. I love the way it frames the face. This is going to be a cute work day for me. Super easy. I feel like it looks professional. People are literally going to ask me if I cut my hair. Because even though they know I wear wigs, I still think they don't know. A lot of them don't know that I have to wear wigs. I'm just like, yeah, I wear wigs. And so they might just think that this is my hair. I would think so. I would think it was mine if it wasn't mine. But anyways, I hope that you guys like this one. I really wanted to show some mid-length and some shorter wigs. So I hope that you like Freya. I feel like she's been overlooked. I haven't seen any reviews on her. I haven't seen any pictures on her. And I'm like, this is a lace front wig. These are the features that I am looking for in my wigs. I want a lace front wig. I want a monopart wig. I like those features. I just think that they look beautiful. And these Whisper Light fibers feel wonderful. I do think this is a really nice length too, that it's not going to get tangly. And you know, you use your wig wax spray and that is just gonna stay. It's gonna stay in the style that you put it for the day. So I really like that. And honestly, you can do lots of different styles, but I think it looks cute just as is down. I will have 3 more videos coming out where I show you some more mid-length to shorter styles, and I hope that you guys like that because I always want to show you different options. Granted, I can't show you every wig. I am buying these wigs with my own money, but I still always want to show you options so that you can make informed decisions for yourself when you are looking to purchase wigs. And I just want to remind you guys, if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below. I love to read your comments, and you can always expand that description box too. I will have links in the description box below for you, and my discount code is down there if you are ever wondering what that is. All right, thanks so much everyone, and I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.